Good day to you. This is the weather broadcast from the Met studio at GMIT for today, Friday, October 10th, 2025. We start off today by taking a look at the tropics, and near 20 degrees north, or about 140 miles to the north of the northern Leeward Islands, we find a tropical storm Jerry, which has been affecting most of the Lesser Antilles over the past 12 to 24 hours. And moving up to the north in the north central Atlantic, we find subtropical storm Karen, which formed during the early hours of the morning. This system poses no threat to us here in the Lesser Antilles. Moving on now to today's satellite imagery. Across the Lesser Antilles, we find this moisture plume trailing the center of tropical storm Jerry. This is resulting in generally cloudy skies across the islands today. Behind the system, we find this area of dust plume, this hazy area, and this dust haze is expected to begin affecting parts of the Lesser Antilles tonight and into tomorrow. And off in the central tropical Atlantic, we find a tropical wave near 38 degrees west, and this wave is expected to begin affecting parts of the Lesser Antilles on Sunday and into Monday. So zooming a little closer to home today, we find that our skies across Dominica has been mainly cloudy to overcast, but these clouds have generally been mid to upper level clouds on the very intense precipitation bearing clouds. And as we move on to our radar imagery, we see that it indicated that across the island, precipitation was generally just light rain or periods of light rain throughout the morning so far. More intense showers have been occurring over the open waters of the Caribbean Sea. So for this afternoon, we expect these conditions to persist with an increased chance of showers during most of the afternoon and into tonight. Therefore, the flood watch was extended to 6 p.m. So we're asking those of you in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks to continue to be vigilant and to exercise caution. We are maintaining a yellow alert for conditions into tonight, as mostly cloudy skies are expected with scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures are expected to be down to about 24 degrees Celsius in coastal communities and 21 degrees Celsius in the interior. Over the next 3 days, tomorrow Saturday, we do expect some weak instability to be maintained across the area, resulting in mostly cloudy skies and a few showers and a chance of isolated thunderstorm activity. We do expect the area to remain hazy, so those of you with respiratory sensitivities, do take precautions to minimize complications. Dust haze is likely to linger into Sunday, and partly cloudy to cloudy skies are expected as moisture ahead of the tropical wave begins to affect the area. So some scattered showers are expected on Sunday, and this is likely to linger into Monday, partly cloudy to cloudy skies with scattered showers. However, the dust plume is expected to be mostly out of the area by then. Temperatures are expected to remain generally warm throughout the weekend and into Monday, with daytime highs peaking to 33 degrees Celsius. Nighttime lows are expected to be down to about 24 degrees Celsius in our coastal communities. Winds are expected to be generally out of the east-southeast through east to about 30 kilometers per hour. Following Tropical Storm Jerry today, our seas are now down to about 10 feet on the east coast and about between 5 to 7 feet on the west coast, and we do expect the sea conditions to continue to improve as Jerry continues to pull further away from the region. So for the afternoon, we do have a small craft advisory and high surf advisory in effect. However, by tonight into Saturday, we do expect our conditions to be down to about 7 feet on the eastern coast and back to our green alert where no threat is anticipated. And we do expect seas up to about 7 feet to persist into Sunday, before waves peaking to about 5 feet along the eastern coast by Monday. The sun will rise tomorrow at 5:56 a.m. and will set at 5:47 p.m. The first high tide tomorrow will be at 8:04 a.m. and the first low tide at 1:37 a.m. For updated information, you can join us in our WhatsApp channel. You can gain access by scanning this QR code or visit our Facebook or Instagram platforms at Dominica Met. We are still in the hurricane season. To continue to stay informed and to be prepared. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time.